Hey guys, subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all my latest notifications.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back. Today I'm gonna make an unboxing of this horn. So I bought lot many stuffs for my Alto, and even this is for an like this can be used for two-wheeler, car, or any of the cars. So it's a very good horn, wherein this is the brand which is D TREK, and the model number is DT-55H. This is the Platinum series horn, which is 100% copper coil, and it's a very good horn, guys. Trust me, I'm gonna show you the sound also. So where I bought this from SP Road. So I wanted to buy some of my gadgets, like accessories for my Chikmagalur trip. So I bought horn and I bought door visor, which is rain guard, and I bought some LED DLR also. And I'm gonna make this unboxing, guys. So before that, if you're watching for the first time, I request you to please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon and support me in uploading more and more videos. I'm gonna make the complete installation video in the next part, and this is just an unboxing video. The link will be shared in the description, so you can watch those installation videos also. Installation is very simple. Please do click on the link, or on the right side you can see the link which I've added at the end of the video. You can just click on that, so directly you can watch that video also. So let's begin the unboxing, guys. So let's open this. The price which I bought it for a very cheaper price, because one of my brother, he has the car accessories, like the modification shop. So through him I got the contact and I purchased this. Here comes the two horn and nothing else in this. Let's keep this aside. So let's come to the horn and open this. And just open this also. So you can see there's a series and the model number also, which is DT-55H201303. So this horn is used for Skoda and the Volkswagen. So this should sound like a Skoda horn. So because I told him that I need a Skoda horn, and which is a two pair of horn, this will be fixed. And I have not received any wiring or any other accessories or any card with this, and it's a very premium brand, and I can see the quality is also very good. So I bought it from the offline store, so I'll check if the same model is available in online. I'll try to share the link, and this is not a paid promotions, guys. So this is, I just bought it from my car and I just wanted to show you guys. So I'm making the unboxing. So it's time to show you the sound. So let me just take you through near the car and connect this and show you the sound. Let me just pause it. Yeah, here comes my car. Let me just unlock this. So guys, I'm not installing over here. I'm just gonna show you the sound, so you can just relate it to the sound. I have just connected one. So let me just so I think you saw the sound. Like this is what the horn is. It will be installed inside. Let me show you in the next video, as I told you. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful to you. And as I request, If you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe and help me in uploading more and more videos. Thank you guys for watching this. Thumbs up.